So I look at the research on this. Everybody, 4-minute workouts get your heart rate up so high that it takes a while for them to come back down. So you continue to burn calories playing on social media, cooking, doing whatever you want to do, which is what's so appealing for people who are busy. I just ask you for 4 minutes. Buster, will you show us?
Oh, all 4 minutes.
All right, come on. Put Buster in the middle here.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to put 4. I'm going to put it up on the clock there. Take us through it.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is 3 sets of jumping jacks. So first jumping jack we're gonna do is just a regular jumping jack.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1, and pause. So next, we'll go swan jumping jack. So it's right here, right here. All right, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1.
Everyone at home, get up and do this with us, guys.
4,
Give it
5,
4 minutes right
6,
now. You'll have done your
7,
whole workout.
8, 9, 10. And last but not least, we'll go crisscross. So we'll cross our arms and cross our feet at the same time. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Hey, catch
7,
him.
8, 9, 10. Good deal.
All right. That's
so-
30 seconds. We rest.
Yeah, 30 seconds.
Okay.
We take a little break. So you take like a 10-second break if you're like an extreme workout type of person, or you take a 20-second break if you're just, catching on.
All right, we'll take 10 seconds. Guys at home, get ready with us. Come on, the next
All right,
round.
So next we have pogos. So this is a pogo right here, like you're on the pogo stick.
Okay.
All right, so when I yell right, we'll go right 90 degrees.
Okay.
And I say right again, we'll go right, and we'll go in the full circle, and then come back left.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, pogo. Right here. As many as you can get, as many as you can get, as many as you can get. Ready? Right.
Right. I feel like I'm playing football.
Right. Right. Now to the left. 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 And then when I go 3, 2, 1, we'll squat. And then we'll do one more set. Ready? Go. Pogo. Pogo. Now we're gonna go left. 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 3, 2, 1, and squat. Good job. Now we're gonna shake that out. Shake it out.
Are you the fastest person on the team?
Fastest on the team.
Fastest.
Fastest on the team. 14.9 coming out.
You under a 4.340.
Under a 4.3.
The fastest man on the team, and a professional football team. How do you do that?
It feels great. I've always been fast. I always worked out. So a lot of people are like, "Oh, you're naturally blessed with speed," but I work out all the time.
You're doing this. Think how fast you're gonna be. Okay, last round. Come on.
All right, and then last round we're gonna do squat, touch your elbow, squat, touch your elbow, and then we'll go for 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we'll hold it at the bottom. All right, now we're gonna go high knees. Ready? Go, high knees, right here, right here, right here. Get them up, get them up, get them up, get them
Get 'em
up,
up,
get them up, get them up.
Get him up over there. Come on. God, darn. I can't do all the work here.
Squat. And the last one we're gonna do, we're gonna kick our butt.
Okay.
Ready? Go. Kick your butt, kick your butt, kick your butt, kick your butt. As many as you can get, as many as you can get. 3,
2, 1.
Squat. Good job.
I already did it, and you repeat it.
And then you keep going.
Nicely done. Buster Skrine.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you for doing it.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.